I met you by the river, near the market lights. You said, Hallo, wie geht's dir? Smile like summer bites. Your jacket had the rain on it. Your voice was low and slow. I said, teach me your city. You said, Ganz Langsam, weißt du. Step by step we go, slow enough to know. Leise, leise, näher, let the feeling grow. Ganz langsam, slow, teach me your name. Ganz langsam, slow, say it the same. Ich bin hier, I'm here, don't let it fade. Ganz langsam, slow, till we both say. You laughed in 2 languages by the tram stop bench. Said, Bleib, selbst, Junge. Then you stole my breath. We shared some hot tea from a paper cup. You traced my palms and told me, help my undercut. Step by step we go, slow enough to know. Leise, leise, näher, let the feeling grow. Ganz langsam, slow, teach me your name. Ganz langsam, slow, say it the same. Ich bin here, I'm here, don't let it fade. Ganz langsam, slow, till we both say. Now I can say Guten Abend and mean it from my chest. You took my small hello and made it feel like rest. If I miss one word, you just laugh and show. Nochmal, you say nochmal, so I can learn you slow. Ganz langsam, slow, teach me your name. Ganz langsam, slow, say it the same. Ich bin here, I'm here, don't let it fade. Ganz langsam, slow, till we both say.